The legal disclaimer ensures transparency about recipe sources and viewer responsibility. Miến Gà is a beloved Vietnamese comfort soup built on a foundation of clear chicken broth, tender shredded chicken, rehydrated wood ear fungus, and translucent glass noodles, also called cellophane noodles or mung bean thread noodles. The glass noodles, known as miến in Vietnamese, are made from mung bean starch and turn beautifully transparent when cooked, giving the soup its signature appearance. Wood ear fungus contributes a delicate crunch and earthy depth, while fish sauce provides the savory backbone that defines Vietnamese cooking. Unlike the more famous Vietnamese Gà, which relies on spice-forward aromatics like star anise and cinnamon, Miến Gà celebrates simplicity, the clean, pure flavor of chicken broth accented with just a few seasonings. It is a dish traditionally served at Vietnamese feasts and banquets, particularly during Lunar New Year, where the poaching liquid from a ceremonial whole chicken would be repurposed into this very soup. This streamlined version captures that same soul-warming character with minimal effort. Main ingredients: chicken stock or 2-3 stock cubes dissolved in 6 cups 1½ liters hot water, 6 cups, dried wood ear fungus, soaked in water until soft, then sliced, small handful, chicken breast, poached until done, then shredded along the grain, 1 breast, dried glass noodles, cellophane mung bean thread noodles, cut into thirds, 4 ounces, seasonings, fish sauce, 2 tablespoons, freshly ground black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon, salt, 1/2 teaspoon, garnish, coriander leaf sprigs to garnish, optional variation, lily buds. Dried lily buds, 20 pieces. Here are the written ingredient list. Preparation steps. Step 1. Soak the wood ear fungus. Place the dried wood ear fungus in a bowl and cover with warm water. Let it soak for 10 to 15 minutes until fully rehydrated, soft, and expanded. Drain, then slice into thin strips. Set aside. Tip: if using the lily bud variation, blanch 20 dried lily buds until soft, discard the hard ends, and tie each bud into a knot. This helps them hold their shape during cooking. Step 2. Poach and shred the chicken. Place the chicken breast in a pot of gently simmering water and poach for 12 to 15 minutes or until the meat is fully cooked through and no longer pink inside. Remove from the poaching liquid and let it cool slightly. Using your fingers or 2 forks, shred the chicken along the grain into thin, bite-sized strips. Set aside. Step 3. Prepare the glass noodles. Cut the dried glass noodles into thirds with kitchen scissors. If the noodles are very long, cutting them makes the finished soup easier to serve and eat. Set aside. They will cook directly in the simmering broth later. Step 4. Measure out seasonings and garnish. Have the fish sauce, black pepper, and salt measured and ready near the stove. Wash the coriander sprigs and pat dry. Everything moves quickly once the broth comes to a boil, so having these prepared ensures smooth cooking. Cooking steps. Step 1. Bring the stock to a boil with wood ear fungus. Pour the chicken stock into a medium pot and add the sliced wood ear fungus. Bring to a boil over high heat. The wood ear fungus will infuse the broth with a subtle earthy flavor as it heats through. Step 2. Add the chicken and simmer. Once the stock is boiling, add the shredded poached chicken. Bring the soup back to a boil, then reduce the heat to medium. Simmer uncovered for 5 to 10 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld and the chicken to absorb the savory broth. Step 3. Season the broth. Season the simmering soup with the fish sauce, black pepper, and salt. Stir gently to distribute the seasonings evenly. Taste the broth and adjust if needed. The fish sauce should provide a balanced savory depth without overpowering the delicate chicken flavor. Step 4. Add the glass noodles. Add the cut glass noodles to the pot. Simmer for just 1 to 2 minutes. The noodles cook very quickly and will turn translucent when done. Remove the pot from the heat immediately to prevent the noodles from overcooking and becoming mushy. Important: glass noodles continue to soften in hot liquid, so it is better to slightly undercook them. They will reach the perfect texture by the time the soup reaches the table. Step 5. Serve and garnish. Ladle the hot soup into individual serving bowls, making sure each bowl gets a generous portion of noodles, chicken, and wood ear fungus. Garnish with fresh coriander sprigs and an extra sprinkle of black pepper if desired. Serve immediately while piping hot.